Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by trimming and filing your nails to a uniform length. Keep long nails manageable at 3.5 inches maximum when needed for style. Push cuticles back gently using a wooden stick or cuticle pusher to avoid damage. Clean the nail surface with a 70% alcohol wipe to remove oils and debris. Apply a thin layer of base coat across each nail for adhesion. Allow the base coat to air dry for 2 minutes before proceeding. Paint the first thin color coat starting from the center, then sides. Wait 5 minutes for the first coat to dry before adding another coat. Apply a second thin color coat to build full coverage without bubbling. Wait 5 minutes again for the color to set before sealing. Brush a professional-grade top coat formulated with water-resistant resin across the surface. Cure the top coat under an LED lamp for 60 seconds for a durable finish. After curing, wipe any tacky residue with a 70% alcohol pad to remove the sticky film. Gently file any rough edges and then brush the tips with top coat to fully seal free edges. Avoid soaking your nails in hot water for 24 hours to ensure the layers fully harden. Use cuticle oil daily to nourish surrounding skin and preserve adhesion. Reapply a fresh top coat every 7 to 10 days to restore water resistance and shine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.